Welcome to this NDPR in a nutshell course. As organizations and people continue to embrace new technologies, the use of data is at the forefront of how we interact with each other, transact business, serve customers, and make critical decisions in real time about our customers, employees, and citizens. There has been an exponential growth in the number of data breaches and cybersecurity attacks, resulting in an epidemic of data breaches, cybersecurity incidents, cost to address attacks, and monetary penalties. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, has served as an effective blueprint for new privacy laws around the world. Africa, however, has not been left behind with the advent of new data protection regulations. It is obvious that we need to embrace new regulations and provide a mechanism to ensure that the rights to privacy and freedoms of our citizens are preserved and upheld. In Ghana, we have the Data Protection Act of 2012. In South Africa, the Protection of Personal Information Act, also known as POPIA. Kenya introduced the Data Protection Act in 2019, and in Nigeria, we have the Nigeria Data Protection Regulation of 2019, NDPR, and soon to have the Data Protection Bill of 2020.
Welcome to NDPR in a nutshell, the NDPR Employee Awareness Course. Privacy regulations such as NDPR are needed to safeguard the right to privacy of a country's citizens and individuals, such as you, your colleagues, and I. As the regulation continues to mature and take center stage in the way we process, handle, protect, and secure personal data, organizations must focus on how to tackle the pressing privacy-related risks and issues introduced by non-compliance to the regulation. This online course is an effective tool that organizations can use to bring business leaders and employees up to speed with the Nigeria Data Protection Regulation, NDPR. The course will help to increase the capacity and awareness of NDPR right across the organization. On completion of the course, organizations will have an assurance that the employee has an understanding of the Nigeria Data Protection Regulation, the new obligations introduced by the regulation, and how the regulation impacts what they do on a day-to-day basis. The Employee Awareness Course will use practical, everyday examples to introduce NDPR and its key concepts, to bring to the forefront the concept of data subjects and their rights, to demonstrate practically how the NDPR will impact your organization, to bring an understanding of what the organization needs to do to comply with the regulation. Finally, to equip employees on how to introduce compliance into everyday activities in the workplace. The course will support the organization on the journey towards compliance and adopting an organizational culture where privacy and data protection are at the center stage of how you operate. Enjoy the course, enjoy the journey.